Hello, today I'm here to talk about my upcoming magical membership workshop on destroying negative energies. We've recently done the protection and cleansing workshop, and this one is to take it a bit further, because what I'm finding is that some people need to get to the root of bigger problems that are more persistent, that can cause other problems to return. Examples are, it's a certain haunted place that have been haunted for many, many years. The atmosphere is so strong it forms an egregore, and normal cleansing methods not enough. There can be demons, negative forms in the family, or in general the background, which are both usually destroying. Various other negative forms and egregores, or even enemy sources to attack you. So what I'm going to be giving you empowerments to Vedic Astras, which are magical missiles used for destroying various negative forces. They can destroy things like these heavy atmospheres and egregores, destroy demons, black magic shielding, and even destroy enemy sorcerers. Some of the Astras I'm going to be giving you are first of all the Asura Astra, which is like a blinding light that dispels all darkness. Then the Asura Astra, which destroys demons. And the Virajai Astra, which is the main enemy destroying Astra. And of course, according to what problems you face, even the other negative forces you can think of, we'll have astras for those too, so you can bring your own questions and we'll be developing along with you. So if you're ready to take a next step in order to build up your cleansing powers, actually fiercely face any negative force and destroy it, then please join us. I'll be looking forward to seeing you there.